Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a cute rainbow owl. First, I'm drawing its beak. Then its two big eyes. Eyelashes. Now I draw its head. I draw its two wings. Hey, owls loves to fly at night. Legs. Finally, I draw a branch that he's sitting on. Let's color now. I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, light green, mint green, purple, pink, blue, red, orange, yellow, light green, blue, purple, pink, orange, brown, and add a little green to the background. Great job, my little artists! You are doing amazing! I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.